Hi friends! Welcome back to Uttarashrini Kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching our channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Today's recipe is another quick and easy kids' favorite recipe. Usually, pizza dough is made with all-purpose flour or bread flour with yeast. But today we are going to share a recipe for a perfect instant whole wheat pizza without yeast. Watch this video until the end to get some tips to bake a perfect pizzeria quality pizza at your kitchen. First, we are going to make the pizza dough. We are using a stand mixer. You can knead the dough using your hands. Add in flour, sugar, salt, baking powder, baking soda, olive oil, yogurt. We prefer to use milk, but you can substitute with water. Add little at a time and start kneading the dough. Add more milk or water if needed. We need to make a soft, pileable dough. The dough is ready. Look how soft the dough is. It kind of looks like Play-Doh. Too bad we can't play with it. Now we are going to apply some olive oil and set it aside. Here comes my favorite part. We are going to make some toppings. We are using some of our favorite toppings: bell pepper, pineapples, onions, sweet corn, banana peppers. Add some Italian herbs, red chili flakes, and oregano, dried basil, and our homemade roasted garlic powder for some extra flavor. If you want to know how to make our homemade roasted garlic powder, make sure to watch the suggested video that pops up. It's time to add in the grated mozzarella cheese. Mix everything well. Let's prepare the baking dish. Spread the dough evenly on the prepared baking dish. Use a fork to make some holes. Docking dough is to keep from developing big air bubbles during the baking process. Add in pizza sauce and spread evenly. Make sure to watch the suggested video that pops up. Top with cheese. Add the prepared toppings. And there's nothing wrong with adding more cheese, so we're going to add a bit more cheese. Remember to preheat the oven at 425 degrees and bake for 16 minutes. Always bake pizza on the second rack position in your oven. After 16 minutes, the delicious pizza is out of the oven. Remove slices and enjoy this really cheesy and no yeast instant whole wheat pizza. Waiter, will my pizza be long? No, don't worry, sir. It will be round. If you have any recipe requests, comment down below and we'll be happy to make them. If you like our channel, please
like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget our videos. Bye guys!